world's most innovative computer company, Commodore, introduces the future of computing now. The Commodore Amiga 500, the newest addition to the Commodore Amiga family. A computer that gives you the creative edge with a productivity base. Business, words, music, art, design, animation, graphics, video. Only Amiga makes it all possible. The power of Amiga gives you a system that moves with you, bringing to you an efficiency and speed that you've never experienced in any other computer, and an ease of use that makes work or play as simple as point and click. Introducing the only computer you will ever need, the Commodore Amiga 500. The power of Commodore Amiga is threefold. The multitasking abilities at the heart of the Amiga, the 68,000 chip, the control software called Intuition, and the benefits and abilities that these two features give to software developers. The 68,000 chip and Intuition work hand in hand to expand the abilities of the Amiga far beyond what was considered possible in a personal computer. Intuition is what makes the operation of the Commodore Amiga as simple as point and click. You select the program you wish to access by using the mouse to move the pointer to the icon or symbol for the program. Click twice on the left button and the window for the program opens. From there, the simplicity continues. Select the icon for the specific tool of the program you wish to use by moving the pointer to the icon and again clicking twice. Now that tool is open for use. Further control of the program is available through the menu. To access the menu, simply move the pointer to the upper control bar, hold the right button of your mouse down, and your menu appears. To select from that menu, continue to hold the right button down and drag the pointer with the mouse to the function you wish to select. Then release the right button. As you can see, the function is activated for use. This unique control system means that anyone can be up and running on an Amiga in minutes. Instead of trying to translate your needs into a confusing machine language, Intuition translates your thoughts and commands for the machine. A simple reversal of roles that translates into a major benefit for the system user. The power of Amiga and the abilities of Intuition don't stop there. Amiga's multitasking abilities allow you to call up several programs and exchange projects, tools, and more between programs. As well, complex software can run on the Amiga, such as real-time 3D animation. The multitasking abilities allow the Amiga to define the object, plot the object in space, calculate the movement of the object as required to follow the program path, and render the object in a series of images for real-time display simultaneously. Multitasking reaps incredible benefits for the user. You can print one document, take a second document and move information to it from a third document, then still have enough power to receive information over a modem all at the same time. The unique abilities of Intuition, when combined with the Amiga's power and speed, have created a tool truly unique in the marketplace. A system that moves immediately with the user to fill his needs. A minimum of distractions, a maximum of productivity and concentration at a speed you never thought possible. The Commodore Amiga does everything that any other desktop system does, but it does it better, faster, and more efficiently than any comparable system that exists today. The Commodore Amiga 500 is a personal production and creative tool with a level of performance that outstrips any of the competition and at a price that provides value. The Amiga 500 comes complete with an internal 3.5-inch floppy disk drive, in-system standard keyboard, the mouse, operating software, and 512K of RAM expandable internally to 1 megabyte, enough for just about any task you wish to tackle. The Amiga will output visuals in a variety of signals and will work with anything from a home television to a video monitor, including high-resolution RGB Commodore monitors. And the Amiga is ready for expansion, with ports for an extensive list of peripherals, 3.5-inch and 5.25-inch external floppy drives or hard drives, modems, MIDI control systems, and stereo audio output, plus joysticks, printers, laser printers, video digitizers, even peripherals that have not been developed. The Commodore Amiga 500 is the perfect creative and productivity tool for the home, schools, and the small business. or as a production station for its many graphic, music, and video production uses. The list of available software is constantly growing. Word processors, including a new Amiga-based version of WordPerfect, the world's largest selling MS-DOS-based word processing software, spreadsheets, database programs, all available, all made more powerful by the multi-window, multitasking abilities of the Amiga. You have the power to access multiple files from the same software, exchange information, print one document and work on another, and more. You can have several different programs operative at the same time, transfer information between programs, all completely interactive, giving you a flexible, fast tool to accomplish your tasks in record time, all through the use of the mouse. No confusing machine language commands, just point and click. While the Commodore Amiga is an outstanding system for standard business applications, its graphic and sound capabilities move it into a class all its own. The heart of the graphics system, a custom chip produced specifically for the Amiga, in combination with the multitasking strength of the main processor, give the Amiga the graphics and animation abilities of systems worth thousands more. CAD/CAM, video painting, image digitization, desktop publishing, animation, both three-dimensional and character. It all exists now, and it's all easily achievable with the Amiga. The Amiga's power will stretch creative abilities and offer a unique business tool for production of presentations, either on video or in print. Or the opportunity exists to use the Amiga itself as a presentation or display medium, lending any fact impact. A number cruncher, a filing system, a graphic system, a video image recorder and output device, a print shop, a complete production system, and it doesn't stop there. In addition to the custom graphics chip installed in the Amiga, there is a custom sound chip that gives the Amiga 4 channels of audio with a level of response that exceeds many stereo speakers. Existing software allows you to learn to play music or compose and score music, then hear it played back with the instrumentation and meter you have chosen. For the more advanced musician, the Commodore Amiga is a production tool of incredible value, recording the performance and the composition of a player, then controlling through a MIDI interface the sound generators of the musician's choice. When it's time to relax, only Amiga makes it possible to have so much fun. Fly a fighter, work out a mystery, play a quick 9 holes, shoot a few baskets. The enjoyment never stops, all with the wonderfully interactive animation and sound made possible by the Amiga's technical brilliance. In fact, Valley Games, the manufacturer of many of the top professional video arcade games, has chosen Amiga technology to spearhead their video games machines. Amiga sound and graphics will add another dimension to the new generation from Valley, with Valley releasing their hottest new games as Amiga software. The Commodore Amiga 500, the future of computing for the home, personal education, creative applications, and the business environment. A system that gives you the creative edge with a productivity base. A computer that does it all at a level far beyond any competitive system at a price that no one has matched. All this from the acknowledged leader in new system technology, Commodore Business Machines.